Hey everyone! Let's zoom into the dazzling world of hummingbirds, nature's tiny acrobats. Hummingbirds are small birds with incredible characteristics, like wings that flap up to 80 times per second, letting them hover, dart, and even fly backward. Their iridescent feathers shimmer like jewels in the sunlight. In size, hummingbirds are tiny. The smallest, the bee hummingbird, is just 2 inches long and weighs less than a penny. Larger species, like the giant hummingbird, reach about 8 inches. Their diet is all about energy. Hummingbirds sip nectar from flowers using long, straw-like tongues, visiting hundreds of blooms daily. They also eat small insects for protein, catching them mid-flight. Their super-fast metabolism means they need to eat almost constantly. There are over 300 hummingbird species, mostly found in the Americas, from Alaska to Argentina. Types include the ruby-throated hummingbird, known for its vibrant red throat, and the Anna's hummingbird, with its sparkling green back. Each species has unique colors and behaviors, like the sword-billed hummingbird's super long beak. These little wonders face threats from habitat loss, so protecting forests and gardens is vital. Want to learn more about hummingbirds or how to attract them? Let's keep exploring nature's magic together.